You got hiccups? You don't know whether to laugh or hiccup, do you? Oh, is that a hiccup? Oh. Yes. Very demure, yes. And a demure smile? Yeah, very demure.
11 months.
11 months today. Happy birthday, Alison.
Happy birthday.
Was that another little hiccup? Yeah. There it was again. Can you give me another one? There it was. That's a big hiccup for a little bit.
Give us a smile. Give Daddy a smile.
Oh, that's not a smile. That's a smirk. Okay, you prince.